In this video, I will show you how to edit Instagram Reels in Premiere Pro from start to finish. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. First you need to import your Reel to Premiere Pro. Once it has been imported, drag it onto your timeline. You want to remove pauses and jump cuts. So simply make your timeline bigger and you can see where the waveform dips, that's where silence is. So what you can do is use the razor tool by going to the left column and selecting razor, or by simply pressing C on your timeline. You can then make cuts and cut out that silent space. You can then press V to go to the selected tool and delete that. If you want to make sure that you haven't cut out any talking by mistake, play that section again. And if you have cut out some sections, simply select it and then you can drag it bigger to make sure that it covers all of your spoken word. You also want to add text to your video. What you can do is simply press T, select anywhere on your video and start typing. You can also change the color and move this around. To do this, go to Effect Controls and you can change the position. So to change the text color, go to Properties, scroll down to Full, and then you can choose your desired color. You can also add music to your video. Find the music that you would like to add. So I have this podcast music. Once your music has been added, simply drag it below your video. And what you want to do is make sure that you lower the music so it is not overpowering your voice. Then you can also make necessary cuts to trim your music. You can press Q or W for shortcuts. Once you have completed editing your reel, you are then ready to export it and upload it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.